Ken Blanchard says that the world is desperately in need of new leaders, serving leaders rather than self-serving leaders. In government, business, and even in religion, we have too many examples of leaders who are self-serving and too few who serve. The world is desperately in need of a new leadership role model, a serving leader. The greatest leadership role model of all time is Jesus. He came to serve rather than be served. What would it mean to lead like Jesus? People the world over know Jesus as teacher, theologian, miracle worker, Son of God, Savior. But few have looked at him through the lens of leadership. Are you ready for a leadership encounter with Jesus? Would you like to experience his transformational leadership? Do you want to expand your influence? Based on the book Lead Like Jesus and co-designed by Bob Pike, the trainer's trainer, the leadership encounter with Jesus will allow you to experience what it means to lead with the head, heart, hands, and habits of Jesus. For more information about the next encounter, go to www.leadlikejesus.com/careforleaders/events/encounter.